G'day, today I want to discuss tactical pens. I've had quite a few people ask me what I think about them, and the truth is I think they're absolutely brilliant. They are a great tool. They're very functional. I carry one daily, and I use it daily mainly for writing, to be honest. I've used it a couple of times in self-defense purposes and they work very well. I'm very fond of the 511 polo shirt, and the reason I'm very fond of it is, if you can see right here, it has a space to hold your pen. What I love about that is it's very quickly deployable, straight into universal grip and ready to go. Personally, for years I've been using the Gerber impromptu pen. Very solid. What I love about it is it's got this glass breaker here, which I can tell you absolutely does work, and as you can see, the pen actually has seen a fair bit of action. Okay, so with the pen and using it, what you're looking to do is you're looking at like fleshy areas. That's what you're aiming for. Your primary targets being your face. Secondary targets, you're looking at other fleshy areas on the body, but mainly the face. What you're looking to do is stop the fight. So as you got the pen in the universal grip area, you're looking to thrust it in, rip down and tear out. So you thrust in, rip and tear. So what you're looking to do is you're aiming for the eyes, cheek area. So you're going to jam it into the cheek, hopefully get through all that flesh area, maybe ram it down on the tongue, rip it out. Okay, so what you're looking to do is psychologically stop this fight, Someone would have to be very messed up to have their cheek hanging off after a pen going through it and still wanting to continue the fight. Secondary targets you might be looking for, if needs be, are things like the arms, stomach, legs. So the possibility if you're dodging a punch and you pass it through, you've hit the bicep with the pen, pulled it out and then into the face. But again, we're always trying to get to the face and tear at that. In, down, rip it out and tear. We want to finish this fight as quickly as possible. Another way you can use the pen, which absolutely again does work, is a low level threat. So someone's just grabbed onto you or just grabbed onto something. What you do is you get the hard bit of the pen and you just push it down on bone, and it absolutely kills. So what you're looking is, say someone's grabbed on like that, low level, they're not throwing punches or anything yet, you just want them to let go. They've grabbed on, you get the pen, push it on bone and just firmly push down on that hard bone area. It really hurts. You'll get a response. They will let go. Okay, so I hope you found that informative and a little bit of help. As always, please feel free to leave any questions or queries in the comments section and I'll answer them for you. Until next time, look after yourselves, look after each other and please stay safe. Thank you for watching.